What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to review Digistore24. Digistore24 is a comprehensive online sales platform that connects vendors with affiliates, offering over 8,500 high-converting products across various niches. With tools for automation, analytics, and one-click upsells, it streamlines e-commerce operations, enabling users to optimize sales and maximize revenue efficiently in a global marketplace. Now, let's talk about some of its key features. Sales and payments. Digistore24 simplifies the sales and payment process by handling all aspects, including invoicing, returns, and international payments. This allows vendors to focus on growth while ensuring reliable cash flow. With multiple flexible payment options like subscriptions and installments, businesses can cater to diverse customer preferences, enhancing conversion rates and customer satisfaction. Sales automation. The platform automates various sales processes from order fulfillment to customer support. This automation reduces manual workload, allowing businesses to operate more efficiently. By streamlining these tasks, vendors can focus on strategic growth initiatives rather than daily operations, ultimately leading to higher productivity and improved customer experiences. Bookkeeping and taxes. Digistore24 takes care of bookkeeping, tax compliance, and legal obligations for vendors. This comprehensive management alleviates the burden of financial oversight, ensuring that all transactions are processed correctly. By handling these complexities, the platform allows businesses to concentrate on their core activities while maintaining compliance with local regulations. Statistics and analytics. The platform offers robust analytic tools that provide real-time insights into sales performance. Vendors can track key metrics such as conversion rates and average order values. This data-driven approach enables informed decision-making, allowing businesses to optimize their marketing strategies and improve overall performance based on actionable insights. Affiliates and joint ventures. Digistore24 connects vendors with a vast network of over 10,000 affiliates eager to promote their products. This access facilitates joint ventures that can amplify marketing efforts and expand reach. By leveraging affiliate partnerships, vendors can significantly increase traffic and sales without upfront advertising costs, enhancing overall profitability. Integration with autoresponders. The platform seamlessly integrates with various autoresponder services, enabling automated email marketing campaigns. This integration allows businesses to nurture leads and maintain customer engagement effortlessly. By automating follow-ups and promotional communications, vendors can enhance customer retention rates and drive repeat purchase effectively. When it comes to pricing, you can use Digistore24 for free forever if you are an affiliate. For vendors, you will only pay if you make sales, and the percentage are as follows. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. One drawback of Digistore24 is its limited selection of products, primarily focusing on digital items and a few physical goods. This narrow range restricts affiliates in choosing diverse offerings to promote. Consequently, vendors may struggle to find suitable partnerships, limiting their potential market reach and sales opportunities. Many products listed on Digistore24 suffer from quality issues, particularly in the digital category. Poor quality offerings can erode trust among affiliates and their audiences, leading to lower conversion rates. Affiliates may hesitate to promote these products, fearing negative feedback that could damage their reputation and future earning potential. Users frequently report technical issues with the Digistore24 app, including crashes and unresponsive screens. These glitches can disrupt user experience and hinder effective management of sales activities. Such problems may necessitate reinstallation or troubleshooting, which can be frustrating for both vendors and affiliates trying to streamline their operations. In conclusion, Digistore24 offers a robust platform for online sales and affiliate marketing, providing valuable tools for vendors and affiliates alike. However, potential drawbacks like limited product range, quality concerns, and technical glitches should be considered. Overall, it remains a compelling option for those looking to enhance their e-commerce efforts. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.